Fluent Listening, Episode 3 at the Supermarket. Characters: Tom, a customer, Sarah, a supermarket worker. Welcome to Fluent Listening, your daily English podcast for beginners. In today's episode, at the supermarket, let's join Tom as he shops for groceries and talks with Sarah, a store worker.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 5, on the right side.
Thank you. And where's the milk?
The milk is in the back, near the cold drinks.
Great. I need eggs too. Are they near the milk?
Yes, they are right next to the milk in the fridge.
Perfect. I also need some fruit. Where's the fruit section?
Go straight ahead. The fruit and vegetables are near the front.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I'll take some apples and bananas. Oh no, these bananas are too green. Let me check the other shelf. Here are some yellow bananas. These look better. Okay, milk, eggs. Now the bread. Here's the bread. White bread, brown bread. I'll take whole wheat bread.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, one bag, please. And
That will be $8.50.
here you go. Do you take cards?
Yes, we take cards and cash.
Great. I'll pay with my card.
Payment accepted. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 3 at the Supermarket. Repeat this episode to improve your vocabulary and speaking confidence. See you in the next one.